back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you're into, make sure to click that subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram at FABIOLAGBEAUTY. That means let's go ahead and move on to today's unboxing. So my birthday was last week, but I got super sick shortly after and I couldn't film this unboxing, and I was dying to share with you what I had gotten for my birthday from my amazing boyfriend. So finally I'm feeling a little bit much better and I can finally film today's video. So he picked up something from Louis Vuitton and I had no clue that he was getting me this gift. We actually went into the mall and he surprised me. He had already ordered it online and he just picked it up in store and I had no clue what was going on. So it was a total surprise and I am in love with what he picked up for me. So let me go ahead and show you what it is. So it is something from Louis Vuitton and it does come with the gift receipt. And I did already open it just because, like, I had to open it. I had to see this beauty, but I did want to do the unboxing on YouTube. So that's why I kind of just packaged it all up again just to share with you the experience. But I was so excited when I opened this. And here it is. It is a new piece from one of their newer collections. So here is the box, and I always save these boxes just because it's great to keep as a display or just to save your pieces and keep them nice and secure. But let's see if you girls can guess what color this is before I even unbox it. It's something totally different and it's one of their newer pieces from Louis Vuitton. So here it is. And it does come with a little tag that gives you the name. It comes in a little dust bag. Let me just place this down. So it is in this little bag and it is a little mini pochette. And this one is called the Empreinte Leather and it's in this beautiful color. It's like black and it has the Louis Vuitton print in this gorgeous light beige color with gold hardware. It is absolutely stunning. Like, I am so in love with this little mini pochette. I do have the original one, the canvas one, and I've had that for over 8 years. It has held up incredible, and this is like such an amazing piece to have in your collection. It's so versatile and you can use it in so many different ways. Like, I am in love with this piece. I did mention to him that I was looking for something black to add to my wardrobe just because I think black just goes with everything and I don't have any black handbags. So he surprised me with this gorgeous piece and he did an amazing job picking this out. Like, he is the best. I love him so much. But look how pretty it is. And it has this little chain. The inside is all black and it's in this super soft velour. It's incredibly soft, and so is the leather as well. So this is leather, as the other ones are more canvas. This one here is made in France, and I was super excited when I saw that this was made in France. I love pieces that are made in France. And it's absolutely beautiful, and even though it looks small, you can fit so many different things in this little pochette. So let me do a little close-up of this beautiful little pochette so you can see the detail and quality. But it is absolutely beautiful. It's like perfect and it's just so soft. So here it is. This should definitely be my thumbnail. It's like perfect. This one here is going to be my go-to. I feel like I haven't even touched my other ones for now because I am in love with this one at the moment. So let me go ahead and share with you something that I purchased separately. I actually found this on Amazon, and it's something to convert your little Louis Vuitton mini pochette into a crossbody. And I thought this was an incredible deal. So it came in a little box that looks like this. It's almost like a Louis Vuitton. Like, how cool is that? This was only $24 or $25, something around that. But it comes with 2 different straps, and they do have different colors, but I ended up getting black ones to match my little pochette. So this is from Amazon. It's from the brand Chiqueco or Chiseso. I'll link it down below, but I think it's incredible, and they do have many different straps for different purses. But here are the 2 little straps that it comes with. The first one is a long crossbody, and it's black, and it's actually a really good quality. Like, it is incredible quality, very, very sturdy. It does have the gold hardware, very shiny. I did see the reviews, and the reviews were like amazing, so that's why I got it. This little hook right here is like a little swivel, so it does turn around, very similar to the Louis Vuittons. And the reason why I got it is because I'm going to be using my little mini pochette as a crossbody. And mini bags are super trendy right now. They're so popular. And I think this looks incredible as a little crossbody. But here it is. Isn't it so pretty? It looks perfect. I will do a little shot of what it looks like as a crossbody so you can see and reference it. And the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust that here. But it goes perfect with my Louis. I think it's absolutely stunning. It's like a little mini purse. So here it is as a crossbody using that strap that I got from Amazon, but I think it looks incredible. I am 5'6" for reference, just so you can see, but the strap is adjustable. And I just love how my little bag looks. It's so adorable. I am like so in love with it, and it matches everything. That's the reason why I love this color. It's just perfect. So the other little strap is a little shorter one, and this one's more for like a night out, something very different, but I thought this was like really cute. So let me go ahead and put that on my little wristlet so you can see what it looks like. So here it is. Doesn't it look so pretty like this as well? Like, I really like this. You can actually use this as a little like shoulder bag. It's so cute. Like, this is perfect for like a night out whenever you don't want to use it as a crossbody. And I really love how it looks with the strap. So that was it for today's video on my new Louis Vuitton bag. I absolutely adore her, and this was like the best birthday gift ever. And I'm just so lucky to have such an amazing boyfriend. But here it is. I really hope you loved today's video. Let me know if you would like to see what fits inside this little bag. I can do a separate video on that. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it